Ever wondered what makes browsing the internet possible? Today we are diving into the world of browsers, what they are, how they work, and why they are essential. Let's get started. Think of a browser as your personal gateway to the internet. It's like a digital assistant that helps you navigate the web. When you want to shop, watch videos, or find information, the browser transforms complex web data into a page you can use. Popular browsers include Chrome, Firefox, Safari, and Edge. Each one has its unique design, but all serve the same purpose, helping you access and interact with the internet. Let's break down how a browser works into three simple steps. Step 1. Find the website. When you type a website address, the browser searches the internet to find where the website is stored. It's like looking up an address in a map. Step 2. Fetch the data. Once your browser locates the website server, it asks for all the information it needs images, videos, and text. Think of this like placing an order for your favorite cupcake. You tell the bakery what you want and they gather everything to make it. Step 3. Show the page. Finally, the browser assembles everything it fetched and shows you the web page in a readable, interactive format. And just like that, your web page is ready to enjoy. Now imagine a world without browsers. Without them, the internet would be nothing but a mess of raw code. It would be like trying to read a foreign language without a translator. Browsers clean up that mess, making sure we can find what we need, interact with websites easily, and stay safe online. Now you know what a browser does? It's the unsung hero that powers your internet experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below. I will be happy to help.